You want a former high flyer that I think can fly again? Remember this one, AMD, Lisa Su? Yeah. Now, they just swallowed Xilinx, which is another semiconductor company, but in a lot of different lines of business. And they may very well report an upside, not that anybody cares. Given how far the semiconductor stock has fallen from its highs, though, even an inline quarter could send it flying. I am itching to tell you to buy the stock. We sold much higher in a down opening on Monday. We'll be frozen from doing so now because I just said this. We hear from Airbnb, too. And I think the strong travel data we've seen lately means that they'll have a decent set of numbers. Airbnb is one of the few real winners from a period where there weren't too many good stocks. I think it could tell a great story, but it's a very high-priced earnings multiple, so once again, it may not matter. After the close, Starbucks, Howard Schultz, back. This time focused on the workers, not you. I think this quarter would be rough no matter what, lockdown in China, but it'll hurt even more now that management feels the need to be able to say to the employees, you don't need a union, we'll take care of you. Wednesday morning, CVS Health, ever since they became a health company, I like that, is going to be capitalizing the COVID vaccine. I think a lot of people have rediscovered CVS. They like it, recognize it. I still can't use the scanners. Moderna, on the other hand, hasn't yet capitalized on anything. These guys have so much money from the COVID vaccine, but now they have to do something to broaden their portfolio. It can't be a one-trick pony. I wish we could take B-52s, fly over China, and drop Moderna. Next, we had a great number this week from Chipotle. Nothing anybody cared. So how about Yum Brands, parent of Pizza Hut, KFC, and Taco Bell? While Chipotle owns all of its stores, Yum is heavily franchised. Hey, how about the difference? I think that the difference is Chipotle's better tasted. Also, let's see if they're having the same success finding workers as Chipotle. Thursday, remember I like the oils. It's ConocoPhillips, all right? All right, well, maybe we switch the date there. I like ConocoPhillips. I think it'll be fabulous with a good balance of natural gas and crude. As I've said before, I'm always on the lookout for situations where commodity costs are peaking because more supply has come online. The most logical place to look is a company called WestRock. Okay, they make paperboard. And there's no industry more willing to put up new factories to change just to be able to chase demand than the paper industry. I know that. My father was in it for 60 years. J-Pal, listen up. When paper peaks, you know we're going to get inflation under control. If it hasn't peaked, well, it's your ballgame. You want the most consistent earner for the week? The one that's going to be the best? It's going to be Zoetis. Why? Well, it's a healthcare company, pet healthcare. I can't believe how well this company's run, spun off by Pfizer 9 years ago. I think CEO Kristen Peck will put up great numbers. You really have to buy something into the down 3% that I expect here, go for Zoetis. Thursday morning, Shopify, I just mentioned because it's been cut in half. Truly plummeted. Online fulfillment expert for small, medium-sized businesses, pigeonholed as a lockdown company. Not true. It's a company for all seasons. But nobody believes me anymore about that stuff. Even a great quarter might not matter, being a little cynical. Remember how I said that Airbnb was one of the few companies that's gotten through this period of flying colors? Well, the other one is DoorDash. Okay, Tony Hsu. People love to eat at home, and they buy their own liquor rather than paying through the nose for drinks at my former restaurant and every other restaurant. But the standard is high these days, so if DoorDash doesn't beat handily, it's a lookout below. Oh, and then me again, kind of in the way I am right now, a little raw. Friday, Under Armour, and all I can say is Lulu's crushing them, and so stay away. I'm going to listen because it's a homework-oriented, but Lulu's a good stock to buy into the weakness. I like the oil pipelines, too. Enbridge, my favorite. It's got a real nice yield. They can afford to raise it. They're down there in the Gulf. Looks real good. Finally, let's not forget that we're going to have some number that everybody's going to interpret as negative except for me because we're going to be so far down that it's going to look up to me. It's possible the job numbers will have peaked because companies that hired extra workers so they'd be covered during the worst days of the pandemic have started to let them go. Go listen to the Amazon call. That'd be very good news for a stock market that's terrified of inflation. More on that later. Do you know if Putin didn't have nukes and China wasn't stupid enough to close down the country, you know what this market would look like? Which is why it's very difficult to leave it. Bottom line, I am so glad April's over.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.